Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you'll learn to use pad, pocket, fillet and chamfer. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch here. And in the center of this arc will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this slot with 44 millimeters by 15. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select slot, click here in this point, 44 millimeters, the angle 90 degrees. And here is the radius, so it is 7.5 millimeters. And now we will create this arc with 22 millimeters of radius and create this rectangle here. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. So select center point arc, click here in this point. The radius 22 millimeters, the angle here 0, 108 degrees. Select polyline, click here in this point, make a rectangle here. And go to dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. And leave the sketch. We needed to extrude this 15 millimeters. So go to pad. The length here is 15 millimeters and press OK. Now we will create this profile here. This profile has 50 millimeters here. And here we have 20 millimeters. And we needed to extrude this 44 millimeters. So go to new sketch. Select here the right plane. Go to external projection, select this face and select polyline, click here in this point, make this sketch here. And go to dimension. The distance here 50 millimeters and the distance here 20 millimeters. And leave the sketch. Go to pad, the mode, select symmetric, and the distance here 44. And press OK. We have a fillet here in the corners with 5 millimeters of radius, and we have a chamfer here with 2 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to chamfer, click here and select this edge here. The size 2 millimeters, the type equal distance, press OK. And go to fillet, select this edge and this edge. The radius here is 5 millimeters, press OK. And to finish this, we needed to create this hole with 15 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this edge here is 17.5. So select this face, go to create a sketch. Take some reference here, external projection, select this face. Select the circle, make a circle here in the center with 15 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this circle and this edge here is 17.5. Now leave the sketch and go to pocket. And the type here, select it through all and press OK. And here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.